Are you amazed by the power of lasers? You won't believe how China is zapping drones out of the sky. China's laser-based anti-drone systems are revolutionizing how we deal with UAV threats. Equipped with advanced sensors, these systems can detect and identify drones from afar. Once a drone is spotted, artificial intelligence kicks in to track its every move in real time. But here's the cool part. These lasers don't just track, they zap. High-energy beams target critical drone components, frying electronics and sensors, effectively neutralizing the threat. Precision targeting ensures minimal collateral damage. These systems aren't just fixed, they're mobile too. Mounted on vehicles, they can move wherever needed, making them versatile for both military and civilian protection. And the best part? Rapid response, low operational costs, and silent operation. China's laser-based systems are a game-changer in modern warfare, providing quick and efficient drone defense. Now that's some high-tech wizardry.